Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Peter Hwang, and I am one of the founding physicians leading the CORSICA movement, which is the Cole-Reagins Initiative for Sinonasal Cancer. And I wanted to take this opportunity to recognize the 10 years of collaboration between the Cole-Reagins Foundation and CORSICA, and really what an amazing milestone this is to celebrate. In 2015, we launched a national registry for sinonasal cancer, uh, funded entirely by the Cole-Reagins Foundation and really inspired by the leadership of the foundation. And today I want to recognize all the contributions of all the supporters, the board, the trustees, and all the leadership of the Cole-Reagins Foundation, because the things that we've been able to do for the last 10 years has truly been fueled by your financial support, your enthusiasm, and your continual interest in the work that we're trying to achieve. So let me highlight for you over the last 10 years what we've been able to achieve. This is a national registry in which we've recruited 10 of the top medical schools in the country doing work in sinonasal cancer research and clinical care. And we now have established a registry of over 750 patients with sinonasal cancer in whom we're following outcomes of treatments of various sorts to really determine best practices in surgical outcomes, radiation therapy outcomes, and chemotherapy outcomes for all different types of sinonasal cancer. And this is really unprecedented. The model of Corsica for a rare disease has been used to launch other registries in ear, nose, and throat and other specialties, particularly citing Corsica as a model for collaboration between institutions. In addition, we've been able to achieve a very strong track record of publications. We now have 8 publications that have been released in the top journals in our specialty. And we have also had national presentations consistently across this decade at the leading forums for presentations of sinonasal cancer research. So I think all of us can be proud of that, and I want you to really understand the impact of your giving on what we've been able to achieve. We've definitely been able to promote a greater awareness of the importance of advancing care in sinonasal cancer. We've improved our understanding of the quality of life impacts of this disease on patients and their families. And we've also now opened the door to new therapeutics because we've been able to launch a tumor bank in which the specimens that have been collected from all of the patients in Corsica can be evaluated through genetic screening for new mutations and new treatment options. And this is really the exciting new advance in the last several years that has really opened the door to new possibilities for treatment and new hope for patients with sinonasal cancer. We have an amazing team of 10 institutions, and at every institution, there are 4 or 5 clinicians that are involved. So we have a team of about 50 MDs, as well as many trainees that benefit from being involved in Corsica. So it's really brought together the top talent in the country working together to advance our understanding of sinonasal cancer. So I want to thank you for making this all possible. Your work and your efforts to support our efforts has really been the catalyst for all of this achievement. So I want to celebrate with you 10 years of an amazing collaboration. I hope that you'll continue to support the efforts because we really depend your support. And I want to thank the leadership of the Cole-Reagins Foundation and all of you who support the foundation for making Corsica possible. Thank you very much.